Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Leadpages affiliate program step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Leadpages official website. Scroll down to the footer section of the home page. Look for the affiliate program link and click on it. You will be directed to the Leadpages affiliate program page. Locate the login button on the right-hand side of the page. Click on the login button. You will see the login form appear on your screen. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check that your information is correct. Once verified, click the login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. If successful, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. From here, you can access your affiliate links, analytics, and other resources. If you encounter any issues, check for an option to reset your password or contact support. Now you are logged into the Leadpages affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.